All right, friends, we're gonna play Silly Shop. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Because we play Silly Shop, my students see me in a very silly and ridiculous way, and also get to learn about how to use their words to describe how items are being used in the classroom. Good morning. I'm the Silly Shop owner. Welcome to my store. When we're trying to work with kids, we're trying to find ways that are fun to teach them. What can I get for you? Yes, yes, yes. Silly Shop is a great way to teach them uses of these items. The way that we did Silly Shop was that one person comes up at a time, and I keep trying to come up with a new use of this item. Wait a second, I remember. It was to brush my hair. That's right, this is what I use in the morning to brush my hair, yes? And then they say, no, this is what this item is for. What is this?
It's a brush.
It's a brush for the floor? I just really like the fact that the kids become teachers. I get to kind of take that teacher hat off for a second, just be a silly, goofy person. They respond really well to that. This is when I'm getting ready to go out, and I take it off, and I put it under my underarms like this. I try to rotate whatever items are that are common items that I know that they know what the purpose is for, so that they can help in a detailed way reiterate what it is. What are you doing?
Gluing.
Gluing? How are you doing that? I tried with one of the students to really break down what she was doing, and I was trying to have her describe, just to kind of take it step by step so that they are working on just vocabulary, description, and details about what it is that they're doing. What does the glue do to the paper?
Stick.
Oh, it's sticky, of course. Wait a second, I just realized I have one more item, and it is the biggest bagel with cream cheese that you've ever seen. If they're ever using items in an inappropriate way or a way that they're not normally supposed to be used, we can kind of take that and revisit it in a fun way. It's not a bagel with cream cheese? Oh my goodness. There was a time where they were all trying to get into the tube at the same time. It was getting really crowded in there and nobody could move through. So that gave us the opportunity to say, okay, stop, hold on. You're not all able to go through at the same time. It's not safe. What should we do here? What happens when you put too many things in the tube? It blocks things. It clogs the pipes. So how do we use the tube? How many people should go in the tube? One person at a time. So that makes them stop and critically think, okay, we know that we have to go in one at a time to not clog up the tube. See how much easier it is when we're going one person at a time? The more fun and approachable lessons are and teaching is, the more response and engagement you're gonna get from students no matter what their age is. It's really nice to see them so excited, and it really helps with our classroom management.